In a recent organizational boost, 18 voters for 4 families officially joined TIPRA Motha during programs held at Yakarwi Akhra VC in Rasarajnagar. Candidate Debbarma formally inducted the new members by presenting them with the party flag.
Long live, white cap, long live, long live, long live, long live, long live, long live.
Addressing a campaign rally, Candidate Debbarma reflected on the political landscape since 2018, noting that the past divisions have adversely impacted the indigenous community. He highlighted the Bubagra's long-standing vision for a unified front and urged the IPFT to align with TIPRA Motha under the central theme of Thansa. Debbarma emphasized that a consolidated alliance is essential to effectively champion the rights and future of the indigenous people.
By relationship Thansang mania IPFT political party na 2021 Mohara Zefro Joto Tripurani regional party rokno ek angdi hinai koifro ekmani pore duka rakha tini haino hai Moharas election is sakang onek bar wai borok be kurengkha kok salakya tai Moharas o kok bosaka o jorao party versus jati ni choba mangnai and joto political party Yakarwi TIPRA Motha by join khai eba political party by political party alliance singai sung chobama khaini hini sapuru borok ni kuno response nukjagya tini je kok borok special saitongo mathe mojane saitongo obo reality o sung nukjagya IPFT borongso obo hai sayakari borok internally sungbai malai Maharaj bai malai o alliance ni kok sakanga blaike chakhumu sudu matro basono simi rekhaino thansangya Buskangno, Bukabaibo, Tansangna.
Long live, white cap, long live, long live, long live, long live, long live, long live.
Pure report, Chini Khorang.